Lately, and by lately I mean for the last 8 to 10 years or so, Brickell has been the go-to condo spot in Miami. But one neighborhood that I feel is constantly stepped on is Edgewater. Don't get me wrong, Edgewater has made great strides to change that in the past, but the reality is that none of my Edgewater videos ever do as well as my Brickell videos. And of course, if you look into that a little bit more, you'll find that there is reason for that. Brickell is the closest thing that you're going to get to that big city lifestyle that places like New York and Chicago are known for. So if that's your jam and that's the vibe that you're seeking, then of course stick with Brickell. But as I've mentioned countless times on this channel before, you go to Brickell for the walkability and you go to Edgewater for the views. So it goes without saying, of course, that today's property tour video of a 2-bedroom, 3-bath condo at Paraiso Bay for $7,000 a month comes with some truly spectacular water views, so much so that even the most discerning renter would appreciate them. The location of Paraiso Bay is just east of Biscayne Boulevard, right on the water on 32nd Street. And the reason why that is important is that the Paraiso brand is essentially a complex now that runs almost like its own ecosystem. It comprises of one Paraiso, Paraiso Bay, and Gran Paraiso, all which are individual buildings that offer a very unique experience from one another. But the cool thing is that they offer this complex when put together that has different restaurants, small retail shops, convenience stores, and even a park. So although it's nowhere near as walkable as Brickell, it does take some steps to offering a piece of that lifestyle. I also have to say that Paraiso Bay crushed it with the amenities on this one. All these standard amenities that you would find in a newly constructed building can be found here, just taken up a notch. Like the fact that they have a full-scale bowling alley, which is not something that you come across all that often. So when you do see it, it is kind of surprising. So all of that and more in today's property tour video. So stick around until the end, of course. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell and all that other good stuff to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Cool? Cool. Let's get started. Enjoy. If you enjoyed today's content and want to see more stuff like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour content and other Miami real estate information. Also, if you want to see more property tours or other videos, make sure you click on any of the playlists or videos that you see here on screen. Thank you so much for tuning in and making it this far. As always, I will see you all next week. Take care and God bless.